Welcome to the Adventure Team Files. Today I have an unboxing from what I won from a giveaway that Underground Action Figures had recently. I provided a link to Underground Action Figures, so please make sure you check out their channel and subscribe. It's a great channel. They are very creative. They have over 2,000 subscribers. And they produce videos, I don't know how they do it, but almost every single day, showing off their wonderful collection. They have a tremendous collection. I don't know how big it is, but it's huge. They do custom work. It's a husband and wife team. They have a playlist called Something Out of Nothing, where they take a nothing object and use it to fit into an action figure diorama or something. And they love the 1/6 scale community. So as I said, they had a recent giveaway, and I actually won. I still can't believe it. I never thought I would win. I was totally shocked and surprised that I won this completely fair and random giveaway. And they gave the winner the choice of one of some super amazing, top-of-the-line, high-quality action figures, or even offered to customize a figure. Well, I'm a G.I. Joe Adventure Team guy. So I decided to ask if I can have a figure customized so he can join the adventure team. So I wasn't going to make it easy for them. But they were so gracious. We communicated over several emails back and forth, and they wanted to make sure they got my figure just right. So let's get to it. Here's the unboxing of what Underground Action Figures freely gave to me. All right, so here we are at the unboxing. This is the box that I got in the mail. Got it yesterday, actually, from Underground Action Figures. You can see the size of this box. And I can't wait to open it. I have cut the tape on the top. I haven't looked in it yet. But now we can just open the box and check out what's inside here. Packaging, of course. All right, here we go. That there. We have this. The action figure there. And the other figure. All right. Let me set this all out so we can look at it individually. I'll cut this a bit here so we can pull the figure out. Let's see. Very well packaged. Bubble wrap. Flashlight. Let's pull this guy out of here. And here he is. Hold on. A couple things here. Okay. All right, here's our man. Get better lighting on this guy. Hold on a second. All right, let's get a look at this guy. I know that they showed this figure on their website before they sent it to me. Let's take another look at him. He looks pretty awesome. I did want an operative, like a spy guy in a dark suit that would match the adventure team. And you can see the adventure team symbol right there. He had his knit hat. Great head sculpt. All right. Side holster. Canteen, got his flashlight, walkie-talkie. There's a canteen. Tell you what, this guy looks great. Got a little lighting over here better. He's definitely ready to join the adventure team, no doubt about it. Awesome. It looks fantastic. It really does. I think the lighting is a little better from this angle. Very nice. Very nice. All right. All right, let's open this up now. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this. That's right, he had glasses. I forgot he comes with these cool looking sunglasses. I put those on him. A little storage box there. Another Adventure Team. What is this, a vest? Let me see what this exactly. What is this? Oh, that's right. This is the skin tight shirt. Still, oh, that's right. I asked for the more baggy. I tell you what, I gave them so many instructions. They really came through because they gave me the skin tight shirt with the Adventure Team emblem, and then more of the baggy dark shirt that goes with the pants. Another canteen. You know, you get thirsty when you're out there on the field. And more boots. Wow. Very nice. Very cool boots. Excellent. All right. I have to put his sunglasses on. Right back. Yeah, no, there's the look. There we go. Don't mess with him, all right? It looks great. Also a tank top with the Adventure Team emblem on it. They got the tank top, the skin tight shirt with the emblem, and then this shirt with the emblem, the sunglasses, everything he's got. That's really, really good. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. All right. I'm going to look at the super flexible figure they sent me as well. Hold on. All right. This is the TV League M30 body. Look at that. He's built just like I am. And comes with an extra pair of hands, fists. They put pants on him with a leg holster. Wow, they added that too. That's great. This guy is super flexible, isn't he? He's really flexible. I never had one of these before. With his skin on him, feels real, but very flexible. This is very cool body. Very cool. All right. Let's see. You stand up next to him. Perfect size. Right? Stay right there. There we go. I also have, I also have my Adventure Team member. You can tell the size is perfect because some of those bodies are way taller. Again, this fits right in. All right, let's open up this last package right here. All right, this final package is head sculpt. Let me get them out of the bag here so we can breathe. Look at this head sculpt. Check it out. Nice. Get some better light on there. Wow, he looks super, man. Doesn't he? Wow. Man, what a haul. Wow, thank you so much again. Underground Action Figures. Thank you. So let's get one last look. The light. Very, very cool. Make sure you check out Underground Action Figures. Subscribe to their channel. They're going to have more giveaways. And they are just the most super generous people you can find. Thank you so much, Underground Action Figures. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to let you know that I forgot to mention some more accessories that I was given, including 4 hand grenades, 2 watches, and a handgun. 45 goes nicely right into his holster. There it is. And I really didn't emphasize this guy's headlamp here, which ironically he needed during his first mission as he had to go underground. But that was very cool. It's a headlamp as well as a camera, I would say. So anyway, I didn't want to forget anything, so I figured I'd throw that in there. So again, make sure you check out Underground Action Figures. Look at their videos and subscribe. See you later. See what's on YouTube.
Welcome to another episode on our channel. We finally figured out how to do a giveaway.
Whoa, they're going to have a giveaway. That's cool. They're going to give away one of their action figures. They have some cool stuff there. I need to enter that. Yeah, but wait, what are the odds that I'm going to win? There are probably going to be dozens of people in that contest. How am I going to win? What can I do to win? I have to win. I just have to.
You have to figure out YouTube policies.
Policies?
Information.
What?
So that you know the rules of the giveaway.
Rules?
And you don't violate any YouTube policies or
violate policies.
Hopefully you also will check your countries or your state's regulations too, and make sure you don't violate any policies.
Violate policies.
Okay. There are statistical programs where you can say 10,000. What's the random number that you pull out of the hat? And
random,
323.
Huh? Random, and really?
So we go and we find who's 323 on this list, and that's the person who wins the prize. All right, so it's that simple. It's just a random,
utterly, totally,
number.
Legitimately, statistically random.
Utterly, totally, legitimately, statistically random.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Oh, okay. That's the code, huh? All right, let's see here. Here we have the list of the entries. Who's in there? Jordanland, Hello World, Domingo. Number 7, Elite Action Joe Studios. Certainly don't want that guy to win. Let's see. There I am, number 43, Adventure Team Files. All right, let me punch in my little hack here and see what happens. All right, first I'll go to random.org, and then I'll punch it in. It worked. It actually worked. I'm at the top of the list.
So today we are going to announce the winner of the giveaway gift, and in a sense, it's kind of nice it turned out this way. By the time this video is shown, it'll be Christmas. So it's a Christmas gift. That's kind of cool. All right. So it's random.org.
Sounds familiar.
I'm going to go down on the page where it says random drawings.
Yep. Random,
and
right.
Select the last one. And that will count. And here is the second row. All right. So Adventure
Team
Files
Files.
1458 is the winner.
Gee, what a shock. Since I'm the winner, what does that make everybody else?
Congratulations. Adventure Team Files
Team Files.
1458.
That's right.
Merry Christmas.
I'll try to act surprised.